Do you sell wines in your restaurant? What if I told you that if you follow the steps that I am going to tell in this video, you can sell more wines? Selling wine is not all that different or difficult from selling any other food item. The only difference is that the wine menu can be confusing because of the variety of grapes and the different regions, countries and other things that make up a bottle of wine. But in this video from Hoteltutor.com, we are going to talk about how to increase wine sales, not improve your wine knowledge. We will take a different approach to what we have been told all along. So grab a paper and pen and take notes, because you are going to sell more wines in your restaurant after this. First things first, remember you must have favorites from the wine list. If your wine list has 200 wine labels, it is impossible to learn about all of the wines on the menu. So as a first step, you must shortlist 5 or 10 wines from the list. You should select 2 or 3 white wines, 2 or 3 red wines and maybe a few sparkling wines. Select 1 budget wine, 1 mid-range wine and 1 high-end wine. Make sure you can sell it by the glass. That is all. Focus on selling these wines only. By the glass. Forget everything else on the menu. Now that you have selected these wines, read up about them, online on wine sites or just read the label. Read what dish it goes with, and make notes of a similar dish on your menu. When guests order any of that food, just say, this script. Write it down.
On our menu, we have a good wine that will complement this dish you have ordered. The wine is from Italy and is highly recommended with the dish you have ordered. Can I get a glass of wine along with your food?
While others try to sell bottles, you sell by the glass. Try to sell a glass along with every course or dish. Very soon you will be the highest wine seller in the restaurant. Try this sales technique for a few weeks. And let me know if it worked. It usually works because restaurant guests know that wine in the hotel will be expensive. So they may be hesitant to commit to the full bottle. By selling by the glass, they know that even if they do not like the wine you have recommended, they don't need to finish the whole bottle. But they will like it because you have done your research and shortlisted the wines. So go ahead and sell with confidence. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do remember we make videos for people working in hotels. On this channel, you will find training tutorials, and if you subscribe, you can get updates whenever we release a new tutorial. For more in-depth courses about various departments in the hotel, do visit Hoteltutor.com and keep learning.